Connecting your domain to an online pay link creates a payable domain, which is a customizable and professional-looking subdomain that you can share with your customers to collect payment even without having a website. I'm Emma, and I'm going to show you how to connect your domain to online pay links. From your My Products page, scroll down to Payments and select Manage next to the domain you want to edit the pay link for. You'll land on your Payments hub, select Online Pay Links. If you've created any in the past, they'll be listed here. To connect your domain, select Settings. Once you connect a domain, all your pay links will appear on this domain, and it doesn't impact your website if you have one. This means instead of a generic URL, they'll have the subdomain pay. In front of your domain name. So for mine, the pay link will be pay.meditationfor1.com. Customize how you want your links to look by selecting a color and adding your logo. When things look good, select Save. It's important to note that it takes about 3 to 5 minutes to connect to the domain, so be patient. When it's connected, you'll see a banner that says your pay links are now available on pay.yourdomainname.com. Once everything is set up, go back to links. You can create a new link or share one of your existing links with the pay domain. Use the quick action buttons to share your link. The copy icon adds the link to your clipboard, the QR code icon displays a QR code, and the share icon opens a page that lets you share to Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, or you can text the link to any cell number. I'm Emma. Now go connect your domain to your online pay links.